flames ain't coming out here anymore. That's a good thing. I cleaned the burners out. We got nice flame there. And I'm gonna let it heat up, and then I'm gonna test it for carbon monoxide. With these heat exchangers, the pan style, they get cracks in the joints, the welds and stuff, sometimes right in the center of the heat exchanger, and you can't see them. But after it heats up, you'll be able to test for carbon monoxide. You'll get a hit if it has a crack in a heat exchanger. So if you visibly can't see any cracks, you will get carbon monoxide. We got a Heil, the high efficiency. This boot right here, the coupler for the draft inducer exhaust motor here connected to PVC, it was completely off. Customer was getting carbon monoxide in their home, their detector went off. And then the guy undid the batteries. So it's a good thing he called me over here to service the other furnace, because I looked at this one and I caught it. And then the gas valve had to be replaced because it was pushing close to 6 inches water column, supposed to be 3.5. That's what residential furnaces are, 3.5 inch water column. Unless it's a low fire, high fire, then you got half, 1.7. But it looks like it's running here. It's not shutting on and off like it was. It was most likely overheating because of that gas pressure. That's what I figured. So it looks like everything's functioning here now. I cleaned the burners out. Them were just caked. Whole pile of shit came right out, each one. Filter's in the right way. Got an arrow, it faces to the furnace. Airflow comes down the return into the furnace and out the supply after it heats the air. These old furnaces, they blow hot, that's for sure. But you don't want that gas pressure over 3.5. That had to be a hell of a bill. Plus constant rollout, furnace overheating. So we got that taken care of now. Everything's running good.